Facebook has 2.37 billion active users per month. There are 1.62 million people who log into Facebook daily. But the competition on Facebook is backbreaking. In this video, I will tell you 25 guaranteed tips to rock your Facebook marketing strategy. There are more than 60 million active business pages, and there are more than 350 million photos and 55 million statuses posted every day. How your business will survive such colossal competition? I am going to give you 25 tips to power your Facebook marketing. Number 1 tip: know yourself first. Do people know about my brand and my products? What are my competitors doing on Facebook? What does my audience watch? Number 2, set goals. Companies usually aim at increasing brand awareness or increasing engagement or increasing sales and lead generation. Number 3 tip: know your audience. Try to analyze your customers' data for few insights. Differentiate them based on key demographics. Your customers might belong to same age group or same location. Do your customers use Facebook via desktop or mobile? And do you know about your audience's age, gender, income? If you don't know enough, run a survey. You can create these at CrowdSignal or SurveyMonkey. Number 4, have a business page. Small business owners tend to use their Facebook account. However, an account can have maximum of only 5,000 friends. But a page can have many more followers, plus it looks professional. Do fill out your description of your business on the page. Provide contact information, especially your website. Number 5 tip: add a cover photo. A page without a profile picture and cover photo seems bogus. Use high quality images, especially for the cover photo. Number 6 tip: determine the best time to post. Audience Insight will tell you what is the best time and post precisely at that time. Number 7, be mobile oriented. More than 95% of your audience uses Facebook on their mobile, so your content must be compatible with mobile. Facebook provides a variety of content types. It can be a text post. People don't like to read long posts. Post with 250 words or less will get more engagement than longer post. You can go for photo post. Post with pictures get twice the engagement. And also, if your post contains a photo album, it will get 3.5 times more engagement. Don't share pictures that you find online. It can lead you to trouble. Only use an image you clicked or from a stock photo site like Pexels or Pixabay. You can use video post, and research shows that videos get more engagement. Optimal length of a video is under 2 minutes. People love videos of 15 to 30 seconds the most. Only 15% of the people watch videos with their sound on, so add subtitles. People also prefer to watch vertical video than horizontal. 75% of consumers found vertical video format more engaging. Go for live video post. You can connect with people at that very moment, and your audience gets to interact with you. Make Facebook poll post. You can do a poll when you can't choose between few things, so people will tell you where you should go. It makes you understand your audience better, and audience will feel that their opinion matters to you. Facebook stories, they tend to stay for 24 hours. Photos appear for 5 seconds and videos for 20 seconds. Because stories appear on top of the news feed, it has higher chance of reaching your audience. Number 8 tip: pin your best work. These are the posts that are pinned on the top of your Facebook page. It is the first thing someone sees when they visit your page. Pin the best post. Keep a social media calendar to keep a proper schedule of your post. You can use tools like Trello or Excel. Also, there is a popular 80-20 rule. It means 80% of your content should inform, educate, or entertain. The rest 20% content should promote your brand. Also remember the Facebook algorithm. It is very stringent and only 1 to 2% of your followers will get your post in their feed. Well, this is when sponsored ads come into picture. Sponsored stories have 46% higher click-through rate and 20% lower cost per click than regular Facebook ads. Number 9th tip is Facebook contest. A simple caption this photo contest can be 5.5 times more engaging than regular post. If you are selling something tangible like t-shirt, then you can give your product as a prize. Do keep your contest on things that are famous and trending so that more people can join. Number 10 tip, post regularly. Post content consistently. Number 11 tip, Facebook Ad Manager. This tool lets you manage the ads that you want to run. Insights tool provides you with information about reach, who's seeing your post, engagement, how many people liked, commented, shared, which of your posts resulted in people unliking your page, what is the age, gender, location of your users. You can also find out what other pages your audience shows interest in. You can also create a custom audience to know about your audience. All you need is to provide information. Data can be pages that they like, phone number, email address. The more data you have, the better will be the custom audience. And then you can create a lookalike audience of your custom audience. 12th tip is Creative Hub. You can also ensure that your image ad will be approved on Facebook beforehand if you use Creative Hub. You can also create a mock-up for your campaign. You can preview your ads in a habitat it is supposed to perform. Edit the ads easily, and it's very easy to export your ads to Facebook. You can go for page post insight, and it will tell how people are responding to different posts, how your posts differ in terms of reach, clicks, actions, interaction. Number 13th tip is engage and interact. 71% of consumers who had positive social media interaction with a brand are more likely to recommend it to others. 14th tip, promote your event. Create an event, insert the date and place of the event, put relevant keywords, a link to the website where tickets are sold. This can increase footfall to your event. 15th tip is ad reporting. This will help you analyze your ads so that you can know what really worked. This way, you are always making your ads better and compare between two campaigns, two ads, two ad groups. 16th tip is Facebook groups. You can have open group. Anyone can see who the members are. Anyone can post in it. This can be useful for building awareness. Or you can go for closed group. Anyone can see who's in the group, but only the group members can post. You can use it for your customers. Encourage them to give feedback, give ideas, make them loyal to your brand. Or secret group. Only members see who's in the group and what members post. So it is good for conversations that are confidential. 17th tip is use Facebook plugins. Having a like and a share button for your website so that people can share about it on Facebook. People can like your Facebook page without leaving your website. 18th tip is Facebook Pixel. It is nothing but few lines of JavaScript code that allows you to track users' activity. It is part of Facebook Ad Manager. 19th tip, friends, is content is the way to success. No matter how good your marketing skills are, your campaign will go nowhere if your content sucks. So you can create brand content which relates to your brand and showcases your product and service. You should check what is the reward for the audience. Why should they watch your content? What do they get out of engaging with your content? You should have an action. It must urge users to respond. You should have an explicit call to action. Use fun because humor is a sure shot way to your audience's heart. Funny content gets more engagement, and most viral content is related to food, animals, fashion, humor, and beauty. So leverage these in your content strategy. 20th tip, friends, is incentivize your campaign. If your goal is to have more traffic to your website or get people to download your app, then give something to people in return. 42% of fans like a page to get a coupon or discount. 21st tip is thumbnail. What is it? It is the picture that is shown before the video starts. Some audience do not have autoplay or have a laggy internet connection. So they will judge your video's content from the image called thumbnail. 22nd tip is newsfeed. Engagement rates of newsfeeds are 20 times higher than that of ad placed in the right column. 23rd tip is augmented reality. Facebook has some really cool AR tools. It increases the opportunities of interacting with your audience. So if you sell fashion accessories, then you can have AR glasses, makeup, watches, and other products. 24th tip, use Facebook Messenger. Businesses often overlook, but it can be beneficial, especially when combined with chatbot. 45% of consumers said they prefer interacting with a business through a messaging app rather than an email. 25th tip is Facebook Marketplace. If your product is something wearable like watches, clothes, then you can put up your products on Marketplace and it can really boost your earnings. Which of these tips do you like the most? If you like these tips, then subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video and hit the bell icon so you will get notification. Thank you for watching.